don't think in my lifetime I've seen 2 helicopters land on the highway at once.
A car slowed to look, and a truck rammed into it.
This is a compound accident, traffic slowing down to take a look. Next thing you know, we have people colliding into each other.
Are you gonna pull it? I'll get this one. I'll get that guy.
Jamie leaves the fender bender for a snowplow to clear and backs down to the more serious wreck.
There's some people trapped in the vehicle.
He jackknifed into her and squished her up against the no post.
Yeah, that thing's tucked in there really good. Oh, yeah. No messing around in a situation like this.
We're not there yet here.
The driver and passenger are still trapped in the SUV. Fearing spinal injuries, rescuers want to backboard them in place.
You want the small cutters here? Small cutters.
Salvage expert Jim Lasser is a volunteer member of Hope Search and Rescue. They use a hydraulically powered shear called the Jaws of Life to bite through the door hinges.
A little bit further.
It's an hour to the hospital by ambulance when the highway's not covered in ice. So the decision is made to get them out by air.
So you're bringing 2 helicopters, you're gonna land one here and one up a little bit behind it. We're gonna be bringing the air ambulance in, get these patients out, and get the highway ones.
Here comes the chopper. I don't think in my lifetime I've seen 2 helicopters land on the highway at once.
Man, they can land those things good.
That job gives me goosebumps. 2 helicopters land on the highway at the same time. All these guys come running out. Oh, that was a beautiful job.
45 minutes after the accident, on the remote Coke summit, both victims are on their way to the hospital.
Their ambulance is just taking off now.